Hello everyone, welcome to Azmat Education channel. Today we are going to talk over the topic Kharia tribe. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. People of Kharia tribe are found in Ranchi, Singhbhum and Gumla districts of Jharkhand. There are three types of Kharia tribe. Number 1 Pahadi Kharia, number 2 Dudh Kharia and number 3 Dhelki Kharia. People of Pahadi Kharia earn their livelihood by collecting wild fruits and hunting. People of Dudh Kharia are more pure in their food and drink. Villages of Dudh Kharia and Dhelki Kharia are fixed, but the villages of Kharia living on the hills are temporary. The staple food of Pahadi Kharia, Dudh Kharia, and Dhelki Kharia is rice. Ancestral exocrine system is found among Dudh Kharia and Dhelki Kharia, which has a very notable importance in their marital relation and general relations. All the members of the clan consider themselves to be the children of common ancestors. 9 clans are found in Dudh Kharia and 8 clans in Dhelki Kharia, but the organization of clan is almost negligible in Pahadi Kharia. If you find our content helpful, then please like the video, subscribe to Azmat Education channel for more such informative videos and comment down below to let us know on which topic you want the next video. In Kharia society, there are patriarchal and patrilineal families, and the families is named after the father and then his son. In Kharia family, although the woman is subordinate to the husband, yet she has proper rights and duties in the upbringing and care of the children and household work. Kharia people are generally monogamous. In Pahadi Kharia, marriage is generally decided by the parents, but other type of marriages are also prevailed in Dudh Kharia and Dhelki Kharia. In Kharia tribe, after marriage, the woman goes to her husband's house where she has a relationship of jokes, laughter, and fun with her husband's young brother, that is, brother-in-law. In Kharia society, division of labor is done on the basis of gender. In their society, women do not get inheritance in property. The Kharia people consider the body and soul to be different things. According to the belief of the Kharia society, all objects have a soul in addition to their physical forms. The Pahadi Khariyas worship the goddesses of the forest, the souls of ancestors, other natural forces, the soul of their clan, and the soul of the clans. These people also practice good or bad magic. Agriculture has not yet developed among the Pahadi Khariyas. They have a very special festival called Fagi. The Dhelki and Dudh Khariyas mostly depend on agriculture. The economic condition of the Dudh and Dhelki Khariya is better than that of the Pahadi Khariyas. Their agriculture is completely depend on the mercy of rain god. Both scanty rain and excessive rain ruin them. Their economic policy and economic condition have considerably influenced their religious belief and rituals. Sal, leaf, and fruit are very important for them. Banjari, Polo, Manjari, and Gao are festivals associated with their agriculture. There is no strong and organized village life among the Pahadi Khariyas. Their religious and social head is called Tehri. Among the Dhelki Khariyas, he is called Kali. Among the Dudh Khariyas, he is called Baiga or Pahan. Apart from this, a village assembly is formed by including other intelligent and influential people of the village, which look after all the activities of the village. Its scope includes social, economic, political, and religious matters. According to the rule of the village, those who do prohibited work are considered guilty. Major crime in the Kharia society include killing cows and buffaloes, having sexual relations within one's own clan, and killing someone. There is a big organization among the Kharias which is called Vora by the Pahadi Kharia, and its chairman is called Dandiya. In the Dhelki Khariyas, also this type of organization is Parha or Gadi. Apart from this, many organizations are found. In short, for a sad world, chalks have message of happiness.